Hey y'all, part two, baby. This is DJ the Diva coming out to you with the Glam Holiday Cookie Platter, the three-tiered. Now, you could make this your own. This could easily turn into a farmhouse DIY you could add um, twine, you could add, different color rocks. You could make it contemporary. You could add the black diamond wrap. You could put diamonds or any kind of stone or gemstones inside the flutes to make it, more conducive to your decor. Um, Burlap, there's a million ways you can do this. So this works for me, so this is what I'm doing. But like I said, pre-cut your diamonds wrap and it makes it easier to use. And the glue is just on the outer edge. And I like to overlap. Let's overlap. Press it down. Look at that. Don't worry, like I said about the glue, it's on the outer edge only. So the cookies you get on here won't even come in contact with the glue or anything. But the glue dries clear. And as you can see, I have three tiers. Three tiers here. When it dries, because it's not dry yet at all. I just did this. It took me all of about 10 minutes to do this. Now, you see the flutes. If you wanted to, you could go back in and add some diamond wrap to the bottom of the flute. See how pretty that'll be? And I think I may do that. I think I may do that and come back and give you guys a preview of how I did it. But like I said, the E6000 does dry clear, so you won't see any of the glue. None of this is dry yet, so. But I think it turned out wonderful. Three-tiered holiday cookie platter. I love it. And this project, let's see, I bought 2 packages of the plastic flutes. That's $2. 3 trays. That's $5. And the plastic, this took 2 packages of the plastic wrap. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $7, and that's what I got. And I'm going to use the remainder, and this is the remainder ribbon wrap that I have left. And I'm just going to, maybe surround the bottom of the flutes with it. You see how that makes it even more posh? Yeah. All right, you guys, that is my holiday glam cookie platter. I think I might just leave it like that. Just, because that makes it easier when you get the crumbs to just wipe up. Wipe up with a disinfectant wipe or just a little water and dish liquid on a rag just to get the crumbs up. And what would also be a good idea for you holiday entertainers is when you're doing this and you're getting ready to put your cookies on there, you could put a decorative layer of tissue paper before you put your cookies down, or you could put just a small piece of wax paper. That way there's not a bunch of clean up to do. Um, Just an idea. And like I said, you can fill these flutes with flowers, gems. You could put, since it'd be a holiday, poinsettias, some bling. You could crumple up some bling or effervescent wrap. Just crumple it up and put it in your flute for whatever color that is your pop of color for your decor. Yes, honey, there's many possibilities. You don't have to use this for cookies. How about candles? How about making it a display for some of your best figurines, Christmas figurines or Christmas ornaments? This could possibly go in your girly girl room with your perfumes and polishes and makeup. This could be your makeup tray. All right. You could make you a coffee station, a tea station with this. Many, many possibilities for this. It's just a tray. Make it your own. Make it what you want it to be. This is Deja the Diva with I'm not even going to do any more bling to it. That's it. I love it. I love it. So, yeah, you guys, this is my cookie platter. My holiday bling glammed out cookie platter. I hope you guys enjoy. This is going to be sitting on top of my buffet. But I might just have to make me one for my vanity. For my fingernail polishes, my makeups, my lipsticks. Yes, honey, yes. This could also, you could make one to sit on the back of the toilet so that you can put some things on it, but it still be storage and glam and yes, making me feel some things. All right, I love you guys to life. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and by all means share with the community. This is Deja the Diva. I love you guys to life. Walk blessed, act blessed, talk blessed, and what? Be a blessing to who? The Lord, by being a blessing to somebody else. Deja the Diva, and I'm out.